Good morning, children. In last class we have studied the eating habits of animals. Today let us continue the class. In this class we will study about the learning, about the caring for animals. When we are using these animals, so it is our responsibility to take care of these animals. How? We must give them good food, neat and clean shelter, and neat and clean water for drinking. Let us see what are those few animals you might have seen on the farm. What are those animals? Cow, horses, donkeys, oxen, goats, sheep and hens on a farm. They are useful in many ways. In many ways. What? Cow gives us milk. Is it not? Some people, they supply milk. So they use cows and buffaloes. So they will be taking care of these cows and buffaloes. Horses and donkeys, they carry the loads. Horses, they pull the tanga, and as a means of transport also we were using it. Donkeys, they carry heavy loads. Oxen, they work in a field. They plough the field with the farmer. Goats give us meat and milk. We cannot do the sweets of these milk. Is it not? So, sheep, we get wool from sheep, and hence we get meat and eggs. So, they are useful in this ways. Horses and donkeys and oxen carry heavy loads. Isn't it? Now, we should look after these animals. When they fall sick, we have to take them to the doctor who treats the animal. They are called veterinary doctors. We have to take them to the veterinary doctors. We should give them good food and a clean shelter in order to keep them stay healthy. How? We must give them good healthy food. Then only they will get energy to work in the respective places. Clean shelter. So we must clean, timely we must clean their shelters. By grooming and everything, the surrounding also we have to clean it to stay healthy. Otherwise, the flies and the mosquitoes will start breeding there and it will harm to the animals. That is why we have to clean their shelters immediately. Some of you keep animals like cats and dogs. Those are called pet animals. They are called pet animals. Dogs, they guard our house. They don't allow any strangers to enter in our house. This is the main thing. And they understand our language also. They play with us and they care for us. So we also must love them. Timely we must give treatment also when they fall sick. Otherwise it is not good for us and for the animal also. So we should feed them well and help them stay safe and healthy. All these animals we must care them, giving good healthy food and give them the timely the vaccines. We must take them to the veterinary doctor and give treatment when they fall sick. Otherwise it is not good for us and for the animals also. We must love. They are like our friends. Is it not? They are good friends like when we care them. So they also need all our love and care. Once again I tell you, caring for animals. Animals like cows, horses, donkeys, oxen, goats, sheep and hens on a farm. Many animals they will be on a farm. So they are useful in many ways. In what way they are useful? Cows and buffaloes, they give us milk. In this way they are very much useful. So they eat grass. We must give them good quality of grass. And horses also, they pull the tanga. As a means of transport we are using it, and they carry the loads also. And donkeys also, they carry the loads on their back. Oxen, naturally they are working in the field with the farmers, they plough the field, that's fine. And goats, we get meat and milk also. But we cannot make the sweets of this milk. This is used only for the medicinal purpose, isn't it? Sheep, we get wool from the sheep, and hence we get eggs and meat also. So these are the animals, they are on the farms. They are very useful in this ways. As I told you, horses and donkeys, they carry loads, and oxen also, they carry loads. How they carry the loads? Because while plugging in the field, they carry the loads on there. We should look after these animals. Suppose if we don't give good food, healthy food to them, then they will not be able to work on the fields. So that's why we have to give them timely good food and clean drinking water. We should not give the drinking water in a plastic container. We must give them in a metallic container. The water and the food, whatever we have, we are feeding them. So that is one. How should we should give them good food and a clean shelter. Suppose if we don't clean the shelter, then mosquitoes and some flies, bacteria will be flying around them, and it will harm them, harm to these animals. That's why we have to timely clean their shelters. And some animals we keep them in our compound wall, not in our house. Compound walls. Compound. So dogs and all need separate house, separate home for them. Outside the house, inside the compound wall. So that is what. So to cats also, we can keep them outside. Some people they keep it inside the house also. That is not correct. So to milk, timely, cat will be drinking milk. So we must feed them the milk, and we should feed them well and help them stay safe and healthy. Okay, now I will read this paragraph for you. Please look here. Caring for animals. Look into this video. You see many animals like cows. You see many animals like cows, horses, donkeys, oxen, goats, sheep and hens on a farm. They are useful in many ways. Cows, buffaloes and goats give you milk. Sheep give you wool. Horses, donkeys and oxen carry heavy loads. Hens and ducks give you eggs. You should look after these animals. You should give them good food and a clean shelter in order to help them stay healthy. You can see these animals also here. Some of you keep animals like cats and dogs as pets. They need to be taken care of. You should feed them well and help them stay safe and healthy. Animals are your friends. They need all your love and care. See, animals are your friends. They need all your love and care. Because when we want to play, suppose if we are alone and the dog is there, we will play them ball. We will play with them a ball game. We will throw the ball, they will run and catch the ball and bring it. So in this way, we are playing with them. Isn't it? It is good exercise for them also and good exercise for us also. So like this, in a friendly way, we are treating them. It's nice. Now I read this lesson for you and I explained you this lesson. Okay, again and again I am telling you, read this lesson once and twice thoroughly. Okay, in the next video we'll write the new words of this lesson. Thank you.